What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which I quickly wanted to cover RSR, the RSR token, which is the governance token mainly of the reserve rights protocol and project and app. And it is very bullish today. It's up 35%. Obviously we have a little bit of a bullish day today for the entirety of the crypto market, or at least most of it, so that's great. It's always nice to wake up that way, although you should know that if we compare this to 2 months ago, it's not that bullish, but it's always relative, of course. So yeah, I wanted to take a look at RSR. The main two reasons were that it was very trending. I mean, the volume is also up to 170 million. But apart from that, I really like the project too. I analyzed it quite a bit, quite often. I think a couple of days ago too. If I can look it up. Yeah, I think like 6 days ago I also analyzed it. It's basically the protocol is based around stablecoins, and obviously stablecoins are not in great light lately. But the reserve rights stablecoin, which is RSV, that's totally backed by USD, I think, or its collateral is backed by other stablecoins, but stablecoins such as True USD and USDC, which are backed. So I see no problem with reserve rights as of right now. But yeah, if we take a look at the analysis, you can actually see that we did some great things. I mean, obviously we had a massive gain. This was my last analysis, as I said, the 24th. I'd say that was pretty spot on. This move was a little bit less, but apart from that was spot on. So yeah, and this trend line actually, like if we check the logarithmics chart, that's perfect, but we're not going to check that. So still a great line. I mean, we got into that area, and from there, actually yesterday it was actually already bullish the whole day. I hadn't noticed that, but yeah, so today we reached this top here at 0.75 cents. Very low numbers, excuse me for that, but still. So that's a pretty strong level, and that's the main level I wanted to talk about, because this was also the main resistance, the 24th of May, when we had that small bull run. And first I want to discuss this scenario, breaking 0.8 cents, because I actually do think that we can extend this bull run by a little bit more, so by like 26%, 25% more. But there are two things we need to do, and two things that will need to happen, in my opinion. The first one is pretty clear. We just need to break above that 0.8 cents level. Doesn't matter with how much we break that. If we close at 0.85 cents, that's already good, because then we can take that break retest of 0.8, and after that the whole level between 0.8 cents and 0.75 cents. So that's great. And then my price target would be here around 0.9 cents, but more specifically 0.93, 0.94. But that doesn't matter that much. 0.9 is the general area. But as I said, the first thing that would need to happen is we need to close above 0.8 cents. Apart from that, what would also need to happen, I think, and I did a video on Bitcoin earlier this morning. I would advise you to take a look at that as well. Obviously, it's not necessary, but still. The main thing we would need to do, and what Bitcoin is actually trying to do, is Bitcoin is trying to break out of that 31,000 level. And if that happens, I think we could actually get some nice bullish moves throughout the whole crypto market, and also for RSR. So if that happens, I think this is possible for RSR. But if Bitcoin like stays stable, which it is right now around 30,500, and maybe even drops down, then this will probably be the top. So we do have the possibility to extend this bull run, but I mean, let's face it, this is quite a strong resistance level, so we would need some more bullish momentum throughout the whole market, and if that does not happen, I think somewhere in the next few days we will drop down a little bit. Again with RSR, probably stay in this level for a while, and then if Bitcoin also starts to drop down, we'd probably drop down to this level here around 0.6 cents. So that would be unfortunate, but before that we definitely still have a great shot at actually extending this bull run. So yeah, that's basically my analysis for now on RSR. If you do have any questions about the analysis or about anything I said, please let me know down in the comments. And as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.